Ay na nga, I'm Ranger Dave from Toy Stash in Action and nandito tayo sa Heroes Dimension guys, and ating official headquarters ng Heroes Comic Con Philippines. So this is the Dark Knight set ng McFarlane Toys and we are amazed kasi nandito siya guys. So it has the Batpod, Batmobile, and of course, si Catwoman at siya si Batman. So this one is the Platinum version. So as you can see, this one has the wired cape and it looks really good. The Catwoman also looks amazing. Look at that. That looks really nice. I love it how they fit in this entire set. So this one right here, yan, kita nyo naman yung Batmobile. It's in good and amazing condition. Same with the Batpod. So this set is available right here guys sa Nomo Visamos Lifestyle Center Mall. Yan, so dito sa Bacoor, Cavite. We are located at the 3rd floor guys. So akit lang kayo and ano pang hinihintay nyo? Kita-kits sa Heroes. Peace out guys. God bless.